Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make this yummy makhani pasta. These are the ingredients required for this recipe. Do check it out. Now without further ado, let's get started. So heat a pan, add some oil, add some finely chopped capsicum and saute it for about 20 seconds. Now add some boiled sweet corn. You can add vegetables of your choice like mushroom or broccoli. Now saute it for about 30 seconds and keep it aside. Now in the same pan add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, about 2 green chillies, 1 small sized onion roughly chopped and saute it. To this add about half a spoon of salt and saute it for about a minute. Add 1 medium sized tomato roughly chopped and saute it for about a minute. Now add half a spoon of chili powder, half a spoon of coriander or dhanya powder, half a spoon of cumin or jeera powder and 1/4 spoon of garam masala. Saute it. Now after it completely cools down, grind it into a smooth paste. Now heat a pan, add some butter, add about 2 spoons of Maida. Just saute it. Make sure the flame is low. Now add 2 cups of boiled milk in batches. Mix it well such that there are no lumps. Now add the other cup of milk. After it comes to a boil, add about 1 cup of cheese. I've used 2 cubes of processed cheese and 1 cube of mozzarella cheese. Now add the grinded paste. Just mix it well. Now add some salt as per your requirement. I'm adding some pepper powder. You can add some chili powder as well. And about 1 spoon of oregano and give it a good mix. Now add some boiled pasta. This is about 1 cup of pasta which I've boiled. Now give it a good mix. Now add in the fried vegetables and mix it well. So that's it guys, this is a super simple recipe and it tastes amazing. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.